So we just took delivery of the Ground Force Elite from Razer. I haven't opened it yet. Here's the spec sheet if you're wondering. 14 miles an hour, 36 volt battery, charge time 12 hours, and range up to 40 minutes. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. So right when you open it, you'll see that it comes with the flag here. Looks like the chair. Steering wheel's not attached. Here's the charger. And the manual looks like it comes with seat pads. And the card itself. So let's pull it out. So my first impression upon taking it out is that it's pretty hard to carry because here's the plastic of the bodywork and it flexes, so there's not really any solid points to hold the cart at. You could do it from the rear possibly. And aside from that, here's the tires. They are a bit of a hard rubber. Here's the rear. Feels like this is plastic, so the rubber starts about right here. The battery, motor, controller is all in this box. Here's the electronic throttle, mechanical brake. You can see the cable right there. And here you can see the brake disc and the chain.